Objective number 3. Write a log expression as a single log. Example 9. In part A, we want to combine them so that we can get a single log. We record the product rule and the quotient rule. So if we have log base 8 of m times n, then we will separate them. We will get the two log with the plus in the between. So in part A, you have a plus in the between of the two log, and they having the same base 6. Then we can combine them to make a single log. Then the m is 3 and the n is 12. The answer will be log base 6 of 3 times 12. And we can multiply the 3 and the 12. So 3 times 12 is 36. And we have the base and the argument are the numbers. Then you check to see if we can go more. What is the answer for this? 6 to the what power will give 36. The answer will be 2. In part B, we record the quotient rule. If we have log A m over n, then we will separate them and we subtract them. Now we have the subtraction. Then we can combine them to become a single log. The base is 10. The m is the one before, which is x minus 2. It will be on the top. And the n is the x, and it will be in the bottom. In example number 10, we see the plus between the two log in part A, and we want to combine them. However, if we notice the product rule, we do not have the number 2 and the number 1/2 in the front. We recall the power rule. If we have a number in the front, then we can move back to the exponent. Because from the exponent, it moved down to become the factor. Now, if it's in the factor, you can move up. So, in problem A, we need to move up the 2. So, it's become log base 2 of x minus 1 squared plus log base 2 of x to the 1/2. Now we can apply the product rule. So our m will be x minus 1 squared, and our n will be x to the 1/2. So we will multiply them. Or if you want, you can write it like this: log base 2 of square root of x times x minus 1 squared. Okay, so in part B, we're gonna do step by step, and we go from left to right. We follow the order of operation. So from left to right, you see this log first. So we can use the product rule to combine these two logs. Then that will be x minus 1 times x plus 1. And then minus. For combine the log to become a single log, we need to move away the factor in the front. That means we will make it up, become the exponent. So log of x cubed. Then we can write log of x minus 1, x plus 1 is x squared minus 1 minus log of x cubed. we have the minus between them, so we will apply the quotient rule. So x squared minus 1 will be on the top because it's go first, and then x cubed in the bottom.